This is number one champion sound. Yeah, Estelle, we about to get down.
I'm in heaven. Lucky charm, lucky charm, lucky charm, lucky charm.
That's our last hope.
Ain't got vertigo?
Gladly, I love a good cat fight.
Get back, you savage!
Did I just hear you purr?
No way! Dancing fight moves. Danger like everyone else, so stop pretending you're above us all and just do what I tell you to!
But hopefully one day.
I've got no idea what the Hakuna Matata is.
Not human, I'm way too advanced. Hey kids, come here, come get this. Na 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 na. Come here, come get this. Na 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 na.
Okay. So, what'd you think about Cat Noir? Was he awesome?
I can't let go. God, you really got my soul. I can't let go. Dance, you really work that pole. This pretty baby's temporary. The contrast is why we go.
A little Cat Noir will take the wind out of her sails.
Whoa, kitty. You better think before you leave.
You got a plan?
Just follow my lead.
Si saco las uñas te puedo arañar. Can, kiri, can, corta las cámaras, córtala ya. Can, cacará.
I thought the holder of the Dog Miraculous was Adrian Agreste. You know who I'm talking about?
Vaguely, yes. Great! Now I'm sure I'm gonna catch a cold. I can't do it. The stairs are too high. It's making me dizzy.
Come on, little kitty. Here, kitty. That's it. Very good. You're gonna be...
Whoa! You drive like a maniac.
Sorry about that. He's not quite himself now.
You're a public health hazard.
But I never even went over 15 miles an hour.
About Ladybug, aren't you a duo?
She's busy with something tonight, so you get to be my ladybug. Who's the suspect?
Gabriel Agreste. You know, the fashion designer? You must trust me on this, but it all makes sense. Gabriel Agreste is a secretive man, and he never leaves his house. And get this, check out his brand's logo.
Butterfly? So that must mean Gabriel Agreste can't possibly be Hawkmoth since he's been akumatized.
Des transformations.
Please stop following me! I'm not even an influencer! Hashtag run!
Take it as a sign. I'm feeling lonely. Oh, I wish I found a lover that could hold me. Now I'm crying in my room. So
She's busy with something tonight, so you get to be my ladybug.
take me, pass up into your dungeon. I brought some trees.
front of me and do such awful things to Marinette.
Can't you pick on someone your own size? You have no shame at all!
Count Noir, calm down. We just need to destroy the akumatized object. You're gonna hurt them.
You deserve it! We'll see if you're still laughing after I've wiped that smile from your face with my clip-on!
No! What's happening to you? Count Noir's in love with Ladybug, not Green and Blue.
I don't care. I'm Cat Noir and all the girls love me.
I wonder what happened to Ladybug.
I hope Cat Noir is okay.
I think I'm in love with you. Admit it, for a second there, you almost fell for my poetic verse.
I never fall for your poetry, but I do find your foolishness incredibly powerful.
Oops, sorry, but I'd better scat super fast.
Why the rush?
It's a secret. You see, we cats are mysterious too.
Found it.
You do make a good couple, don't you think? Otherwise, we wouldn't have won again like we always do.
That's right. Laugh all you want. Hey, what are you doing? Everyone saw that? This is a disaster! What on earth happened?
Well, one thing's for sure, we would make a good-looking couple. We're meant for each other, milady. You're the only one who doesn't see it.
But don't worry, Kitty. We're not gonna let her rain on Paris's parade.
Hey, was that a pun I heard, milady?
Yep. A little change is good, don't you think?
I love that girl. Tell me, Bunnix, in the future, are Ladybug and I like...
Cats? Kitty's room. That's where she found Hawkmoth's statue.
After you, milady. You know, milady, the worse the situation, the more I realize how amazing you are.
How do you do that? After all, we've been through a lot together. We're not gonna let stormy weather defeat us, right, Kitty?
As usual, I completely agree with you, Bugaboo. Hello?
Cat Noir?
Sorry. I didn't mean to frighten you. How could we get him inside there? He's coming.
Did I just hear you purr?
No way! Meow. 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 Meow.
That's a pretty tune. What is it?
A classical piece. Thus spoke Catathustra.
Good job, Kitty.
Purple tigress? Meow, that makes us practically family.